Boosted Mini.
18 miles an hour, 7 miles on a 1 hour charge.
Syncs it up. Whoa! No, don't do it! That's insane. All right, guys, we're super excited to be here at Lake Cunningham Skate Park with Andy McDonald. First time on the channel. And we're gonna do a box opening with this incredible box. And there's something inside. Let's see what it is.
Flip it over.
And of course, I opened it upside down.
Oh, now he knows what's in it.
Boosted Mini. Let's go. Yes. Okay.
Wow.
Well, the first thing I gotta point out is just this. That's incredible. Nicely packaged inside. Okay, so this is the Boosted Mini. How fast does this thing go?
This is the Boosted Mini S. It's the smaller, shorter range version, so it goes 18 miles an hour. Over here, I got the little extended range battery. This one goes 20 miles an hour. It'll go 7 miles on a 1 hour charge. This one will go 12 miles. Commuting and ripping around town.
Getting you where you need to go. I see a lot of people cruising these around San Francisco.
You got your charger in here. You got your Bluetooth remote.
So how do you hook this up?
You just Bluetooth sync it.
So we turn this on.
Turn that on.
And this whole thing right here is the battery?
So this is the battery. This is the computer essentially, and then there's 2 belt drives right here. Ripper guards. I was ripping around on it earlier, so you know I took it out of the box before you did. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I see. It turns blue and it syncs it up. Whoa!
Then we're off and running.
So you ride this in the bowl?
I have recently taken it to the skate park just to see what's, you know, that's why we're here. See what you can do. But I ride it to the skate park certainly.
Yeah.
But I drive my car 40% less now that I have one of these.
Wow.
Just like, you know, oh, we're out of milk. I'll go get it.
Let's go.
Any excuse to ride it because they're so fun, just cruising around. We're here at the skate park, so we figured
We're gonna see what we can do?
Yeah.
I'm kind of terrified to see what we're gonna do. Are you, Gabe? It's like scared. It's terrifying.
We'll shred this thing.
Okay, let's go.
I'm just gonna say, if you don't take it full 360 around that,
Yeah, just upside down.
We're just canceling the video.
Guarantee I will. We're at the world's largest skate park. Second largest, right?
3rd largest now.
Third largest. Every second we get to be less large on the skate park. Okay, so is it in full power mode?
You got in expert mode because you're an expert skateboarder.
That's
so
true.
I just figured.
Better not
on the
fall.
roll.
Better not blow it now. Oh yeah, it's fast.
Do you have one I can follow him on?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that thing is fun.
Is-
I've ridden my fair share of ones, yeah.
Okay.
100% guaranteed he's gonna eat it real hard.
I'm good.
I've ridden my fair share. Gabe, let's go.
Oh, there you go. Whoa! Wow. Ooh, those brakes are smooth.
How's that?
Do we just cruise it around a little
Fully
bit?
gear it up.
I'll follow you. You go.
Oh, he goes backwards too? Whoa!
You know how to ride one, man.
Advanced.
I'm really professional at this. I've had my fair share. I knew it. Okay, go ahead.
Cameraman's on one now.
We're good.
Good luck, Gabe.
There's 3 ride modes. We're all in the expert ride mode now, I think.
Woo!
It's the fastest acceleration, also the fastest braking.
Yeah.
So you can pretty much get on it. And yeah, see?
Whoa!
Yeah. It's like an RC car when you're not on it. It's like woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
All right, show us this park. We can
Welcome
cruise.
to the Lake Cunningham Skate Park. To our left is the biggest bowl. One of the biggest full pipes ever made. I think we're at like a 22 diameter on that thing.
I love the sound. Sounds like the future.
What's that?
What in the world? Let's go in there.
Big full pipe? Shall we?
Yeah.
Just start with the biggest thing.
Nigel! Stop!
I'm in like bowl heaven right now.
Oh, I bet you're having a great time.
All right, shall we?
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god!
Works, right?
Oh wow, that's got
Probably
some power.
the funnest thing I've ever
that
done.
was really fun.
Oh, it's scary.
Pro.
No! No!
Here's the motor.
Oh no!
You gotta remember not to throttle on your way up. Throttle on the way down. I'm learning, but woo, good echoes in here.
It is
You gotta yell.
completely dark in here.
Woo, go, 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 go.
I gave it to Nigel.
This is the one.
No! Whoa!
The torque is unreal on this.
Let's go get Andy Mack to do some tricks for us.
That literally looks unreal.
Why? You skate this?
Skate 3, dude. No! No!
No.
Don't do it!
Well, don't walk in front of me.
Aaron, no.
You gotta get that. Get in there. Oh no!
I can't get to the top.
Bro, I'm afraid it's gonna fling out.
It is gonna fling out and Well, it's nice knowing you, Gabe.
Thanks.
All right, I'm out. What?
Oh! He was the one skating, and I thought I was gonna die like 4
I
times.
know, we were all like, ah! Ah! Which way? Which way?
That was insane.
And then
Yeah, I
get
kind of
that
want to
shot.
see if I can run up this.
Okay, it always turns into Gabe, American Ninja Warrior.
Oh gosh.
Gabe feels his manhood.
Ninja Gab, get this, Nigel.
American Ninja Gab. Here we go. First try.
Get a little feel for it.
You better have that helmet on, dude. Fail! Oh, this guy. Next level. Yeah!
You gotta kickflip it, you know?
Kickflip it?
Yeah.
Carlos!
No. What? No! I don't get it.
That was amazing.
I was coming toward us. I want to do an invert, but oh wait! And I like threw my remote in my pocket. I was like, okay.
Oh,
cool.
really?
Wow.
you
Sleight
get
of
on
hand.
level.
Troy, you look so wholesome in wearing a helmet.
Do I?
You
no.
do. Oh no.
It's not much of a tail.
On an electric skateboard.
Carlos.
Bro, you don't even think about it. You put your board down, you say, good job, bro, and you do it.
Don't do it! Oh! Okay, we go!
You got a little wobbly on that one. Are you gonna drop in on the e-board?
Are you out of your mind?
Dangerous.
That's a
when it's
whole
coming
lot of
down.
note from me, brother.
Carlos, I think you gotta go a little
Carlos, a little faster, I think.
my
This is gonna be a
God.
sick shot.
That was scary.
This is gonna be sick.
Oh! Wow.
That was amazing. Second try.
Dude, that made me feel warm inside. I got to do something with the legend.
Can I just say that when that board hit the top and was coming down at you, I feared for your life.
You almost had a trike neck incident.
So he's gonna do some tricks in here. He's crushing it. No! That is deadly.
No.
Okay, Gabe, kickflip up. You gotta be in this too.
I'll land it first try. It won't be a competition.
You got it. Let's go.
My first time on an electric skateboard.
Same thing, but reverse.
Dang. Dang. Oh, geez.
Nobody set the throttle.
I know. You got that. Geiger!
All right.
That's you, Gabe.
I'm good. I'm very hungry. I'm running off fumes right now.
Oh! There we go. All right, first try. If I land it right here. Oh!
What's the popping sound?
Oh.
I feel it. Full hand.
Oh, that was like the cleanest one I've seen.
All right, he's got it.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Just like get the board lifting first, and once it gets close, then you snap it. Then you can flick it.
No one ever knows what he's talking about. Oh, that's what I need. That's the
You
best
need the
one.
board,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, it's coming.
I
It's
feel like
coming.
I'm gonna land primo. Geiger.
I'll take a heel flip. I haven't seen a heel flip done on one of these yet. I've seen kickers.
Yeah, no, that's way too much.
Come on, Aaron.
Flip, and oh, it's coming now. He's got the flick. It's like the
Go
big
ahead.
flick. Get right there. Come
You're
on.
in your head, Aaron.
I'm not in my head, you're in your head. What?
The same.
Oh, see? Trouble, dude. 1.5. Flexing on you, dude.
Oh! Go right here.
got?
Give it to us first try.
Oh, man.
Oh!
Geiger.
Get his back, Aaron.
There it is. What? Look at it.
Oh!
Burial?
Now we're talking.
First try, Gabe, $100.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
He's gotta make sure he... Who has a remote? I felt it going.
You're in your head, Cruz.
Come on.
How did you do that? I'm good.
Oh, I can do that.
Oh!
Oh, come on.
If he's not gonna land it right now, I'm gonna take it.
Ah!
Just mess
It just takes so much muscle. I like tire out quicker.
All right, one more try. I got to go over there.
I got one more try,
Oh.
and I lost the battle.
All right, go ahead. Hi, Fatty.
He's like airing over there. Did you see? You
Yeah,
get him?
I did.
Don't go down the hill. He gone. He gone. He left.
Pretty fun, though.
Oh no.
Dude, it probably doesn't look like much, but when you're on it, it feels like you're going 1,000 miles an hour. No!
Yeah.
That's insane. I don't know about this one.
Oh, there you go, Aaron. Full send. Count it.
This says advanced. Teeter totter. Very advanced.
A huge thanks to Boosted for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in the description below, and also a huge thanks to Andy Mack for coming out and shredding with us. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Let's go.
What he said.